I'd ride 'em on my boat. We can all together go out on the ocean, me upon my pony on my boat. If I was Roy Rogers, sure enough be single, couldn't bring myself to marry an old Dale. It'd just be me and Trigger riding through the movies, by a boat off the sea we'd sail. And if I had a boat, go out on the ocean. If I had a pony, I'd ride 'em on my boat. We get all together, go out on the ocean, me upon my pony on my boat. Mystery man was smart, got himself a taunter. Taunter did that old dirty work for free. But Taunter, he was smarter. One day he said, Kimasabi, kiss my ass about a boat, and I'm going out to sea. And if I had a boat, I'd go out on the ocean. And if I had a pony, I'd ride him on my boat. We get all together, go out on the ocean, me upon my pony on my boat. And if I was lightning, I wouldn't need no sneakers. I could come and go whenever I would please. And I'd scare him by a lamppost, and I'd scare him by a shade tree, but I would not scare my pony on my boat upon the sea. And if I had a boat, I'd go out on the ocean. And if I had a pony, I'd ride him on my boat. We get all together, go out on the ocean, me upon my pony on my boat. To be me upon my pony on my boat. Thank you. Sid changed the face of Key West, you know. I mean, honestly, if anybody changed what's Key West, if anybody made some changes in Key West, it would have had to be that man. Well, God bless him.